One of the biggest culprits for your lawnmower not starting in the spring after winter is old fuel left in the fuel tank. I can tell that this fuel just does not smell fresh at all, and there's probably some dirt in there and some moisture that's gathered in there over the winter. And time again, when I've dealt with lawnmowers this time of year, it's usually always been a fuel issue. So I've cleaned out the fuel tank, cleaned the carburetor, away it went. It's always worth removing the fuel before you start storing the lawnmower, but if you didn't do, then it's certainly worth draining your fuel and putting fresh fuel in. So before you spend a lot of money at a repair shop, it's worth putting a few pounds worth of fuel in there to see if that works first.